Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Nintendo Switch controller is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious gamer, ensuring your gameplay remains immersive and responsive, but with so many options flooding the market, finding the perfect one that balances performance, durability, and price can feel like navigating a minefield, especially when your original controllers start showing signs of wear and tear or you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup for a competitive edge. Number 5. Gammeefy Hall Effect Controller for Switch. Tired of imprecise controls? This controller uses Hall Effect technology to eliminate joystick drift forever. Enjoy perfect accuracy in your favorite games, with a joystick that lasts 10 times longer. Experience ultimate comfort with its full-size ergonomic design. Larger buttons and a comfortable grip make extended play sessions a breeze. It's designed to fit perfectly in your hands. Dominate the competition with wired, zero-latency gaming. Get an ultra-fast response time, significantly quicker than wireless options. Plug it in and play instantly without any interference. Activate customizable turbo functions for rapid-fire action. Set your preferred speed and let it handle the button mashing for you. Stay ahead in shooting games without constant pressing. Feel the action like never before with dual vibration motors and precise 6-axis motion control. Experience realistic feedback from in-game events and enjoy enhanced immersion in motion-controlled games. This one-piece design helps protect your console by distributing pressure evenly. Play with confidence knowing your device is safeguarded. We also offer dedicated tech support and after-sales service. What we like. Tired of joystick drift ruining your game? This controller features Hall Effect joysticks for ultimate precision and a 10x longer lifespan. If you're a competitive gamer or play fast-paced titles, the wired zero-latency connection ensures you're always one step ahead. For those who demand the most responsive and durable controller, this is your top choice. What people say. Works great and feels amazing in hand. It's lightweight, so you barely notice you're holding more than just the Switch. The controls are super smooth and the console itself is durable. It has some weight to it as well. Holding it is comfortable while playing and the buttons are quick to respond. The product feels good quality, and the sticks feel really good in my hands, with no drift so far. The Switch fits snug in the slide clip so it ain't flying out with rigorous play. The buttons feel springy and responsive. Triggers giving multiple pressure points for precision. The sticks are bigger and more sensitive, making a satisfying mechanical click when compressed. Number 4. eXtremeRate DIY Replacement Shelf for Nintendo Switch and OLED. Tired of the same old look for your controller? Add some serious personality with our custom replacement shell. Make your gaming setup truly unique and stand out from the crowd. Designed specifically for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED, this housing offers a precise fit, just like the original. Crafted from premium ABS material, it feels great in your hands and is built to last. This clear glacier blue color is absolutely stunning. It gives your controller a fresh, vibrant look that's sure to impress. Plus, it comes with colorful buttons to match. Ready to upgrade? Installation requires some moderate experience. We highly recommend watching our step-by-step video guide on YouTube. Search for eXtremeRate New Horizon Style for Switch and follow along at your own pace. This package includes the replacement shell for your Joy-Con controllers, colorful ABXY and direction buttons, and all the necessary screwdrivers and spare screws. Get ready for a complete transformation. What we like. Want to give your Switch a unique look? This DIY replacement shell allows you to personalize your controller with a stunning clear glacier blue finish and colorful buttons. If you enjoy customizing your gear and have a moderate level of technical skill, this is perfect for adding a personal touch to your gaming setup. Express your style and make your controller stand out. What people say. These shells fit together perfectly, no longer cause erratic button presses due to incorrect fit, and they have a matte finish which is not only way more comfortable to use but also more accurately reproduces the look and feel of the GBC N64 look that they are after. Screwdriver which includes interchangeable bits for Phillips head and tri-wing screws. And the top swivels, which makes using the screwdriver so much more comfortable. Replacements for every screw spring in either Joy-Con are included. The shells are very good quality and have a smooth finish to them. The shells come in a nice box with almost all the tools you need for the swap. It comes with a screwdriver with 2 screw bits, a Phillips one and a tri-wing one. Spare springs and screws are all included and even includes long Phillips screws that can replace the stock tri-wing screws which are prone to stripping. Number 3. Onyehn Original Repair Part for Nintendo Switch. Is your Nintendo Switch console slide rail damaged? This replacement part is designed specifically for the original Nintendo Switch model, ensuring a perfect fit. Get the same quality as your original device. These parts are brand new and sourced directly from the Switch OEM factory. Don't let worn-out sliders stop your gaming. These parts are an exact match to the original, ready to replace your broken ones. This kit is intended for professional use, providing all the necessary components for a successful repair. Please ensure you have the technical expertise for installation. Everything you need is in the box. This package includes both left and right slide rails, along with a comprehensive set of screws and specialized tools for the repair. Please be aware that these parts are exclusively for the standard Nintendo Switch console. They are not compatible with the Switch OLED or Switch Lite models. What we like. Is your original Switch slide rail broken or worn out? This is an original repair part, identical to the factory original, designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch console. If you're experiencing issues with your Joy-Con not attaching or sliding properly, and you're comfortable with DIY repairs, this kit with included tools is exactly what you need to get your console back in working order. It's the most direct solution for a common hardware problem. What people say. Replacing the rails themselves fixed the problem. No more disconnecting. Super cheap and Joy-Cons feel locked in nice and solid again when connected. These are a perfect fit and had no trouble installing them. The controller works again. It's been a while since I did the replacement and it hasn't disconnected once. It feels just like from the factory as well, so there's no discernible difference in the rails. Number 2. Nintendo Joy-Con, LR, Neon Red Neon Blue. Discover the revolutionary Joy-Con controllers for your Nintendo Switch. They unlock entirely new gaming experiences, bringing more fun and versatility to your play. These controllers offer surprising new ways to enjoy games. Use them independently in each hand for unique control, or combine them for a traditional feel. Easily attach them to your Nintendo Switch console for seamless handheld gaming. Enjoy your favorite titles on the go with ultimate convenience. With Joy-Con, sharing the gaming experience is simple. Hand them to a friend for instant 2-player action in supported titles. Each controller is a powerhouse of input. Featuring a full set of buttons, an accelerometer, and a gyro sensor, they enable precise independent motion control for both left and right hands. What we like. Looking for the standard, reliable Nintendo experience? These are the original Joy-Cons, offering unparalleled versatility. If you enjoy playing in handheld mode, sharing with friends for local multiplayer, or using them as individual controllers with motion capabilities, these are the go-to choice. They are the quintessential Nintendo Switch controllers for a reason. What people say. These work well and haven't has any drifting issues. The responsiveness is top-notch. The button placement feels natural, the motion controls are super precise, and the HD rumble is like a tiny party in your hands. These pastel colors have a similar look and feel to the Animal Crossing matte pastel green and blue colors. The pastel colors add character to my Switch, but without coming across as too childish, loud, or obnoxious. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, LR. Experience ultimate flexibility with these controllers. Use them independently in each hand for unique gameplay, or combine them for a traditional controller feel. Easily attach them to your console for seamless handheld gaming. Enjoy your favorite titles on the go with intuitive controls. Instantly share the experience with a friend. These controllers can be used for exciting 2-player action in compatible games. Each controller is a complete unit, featuring a full set of buttons. They are designed for independent use, offering a full gaming experience. With built-in accelerometers and gyroscopic sensors, you get precise motion control. This allows for independent left and right movement tracking. What we like. Want to add some flair to your gaming sessions? These Joy-Cons come in eye-catching neon yellow and blue, perfect for standing out. If you value the flexibility of using them independently, attached to the console, or with a grip for multiplayer action, these offer the same core functionality as the originals with added visual appeal. They are ideal for anyone looking to personalize their setup with a splash of color. What people say. Both Joy-Cons paired and work well. They're Joy-Con. Love M or hate M, they're exactly as advertised. It could be my imagination, or maybe the fact that I played with my original ones for hundreds of hours before getting a second set, but these seem to be even more well-made and slightly more hefty than the ones that came with my Switch. Paired instantly to my Switch, no nicks or damages, came in the original Nintendo Switch box and was protected with bubble wrap. I love the light pink color, and shipping was fast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.